Great talking to you. I appreciate you taking my phone call. I want to share something with you that is in my heart, that what drives me and what drove me to build a real estate business after selling my life insurance and annuity business. And that is this: people are not building businesses in real estate. They think they are, and they have crazy talent, tons of knowledge, but they're not letting their money work for them. They're working for a dollar bill every single day. Someone showed this to me back in 2005. It's called the Cashflow Quadrant. You have your employee, you have your self-employed, you have your business owner, and you have your investor. And at that moment when he was explaining this to me, I realized why I was on this roller coaster of income. I was excited about being self-employed. I thought it was a badge of honor. What I didn't understand, it's no different than being employed. In fact, being employed is a little better sometimes. Because what happens when self doesn't work when you're self-employed? Self is unemployed, right? If self isn't working, it's over. And at that moment, you could be an employee and kind of just scratch by and keep your job, and they'll give you some benefits, right? Self-employed, I love it. That's where you need to start. But you can't stay there. I talk to so many real estate agents. I cold call real estate agents once a week just to get in their brain, just to understand their process, just to understand what they think about. And all of them think they're in a business. And I'm like, the moment you walk away from that, income stops. I want you to be able to take a 1-month vacation to Fiji. Just hang out in Fiji for a month. Maybe cruise up to New Zealand since you're so close, hang out in Australia maybe, but money still comes in. In fact, your business grows, your income grows as you're on vacation with your family. That's a business. This, my friend, is self-employed. This is the transactions. Yes, do transactions. Yes, get great at transactions. Yes, give your customers the best of you. Give them everything of you, and that will create a massive business. I joined this company because I found out I love teaching people how to build a business. When I sold my old company, it was amazing. It felt great. I want you to have that feeling. I'm going to take you from here to here. Eventually, you and I will go here. Go get yours. I'm getting mine. Adios.